Hello, it's Agan Aircraft Industry here. This video focuses on the Cessna 400 Corvallis, one of the world's fastest single-engine piston aircraft. These aircraft came to us with a long list of required work to perform. The first and most important task was to repair two wing consoles, horizontal stabilizer and doors, which were damaged after the aircraft was struck by hail. It was necessary to check every centimeter of the aircraft surface so as to not allow even a single chip or crack to go unnoticed. This approach is due to the fact that if moisture penetrates into the wing structure through cracks during the operation of the aircraft, it would begin to destroy it from the inside. Repairing such damage also requires very specialized expertise. It is unacceptable to simply use putty in such a situation to fix these problems. The putty will not restore structural integrity and moisture will continue to penetrate the interior areas of the aircraft. That is why in our repair work we use epoxy with the addition of fiberglass. After we have found and marked all the damage, it was necessary to remove the paintwork and primer with special care, since there is a conductive metal mesh under them, which allows you to remove static voltage from the aircraft. Before this procedure is started, we needed to mask off the rest of the surface unit on which we are working, since the aircraft is equipped with a de-icing system. To make sure this system functions perfectly in the future, it must be sealed off properly, as to not allow for the ingress of any small particles or dust during our repair work. In order not to damage the fiberglass surface on the aircraft during grinding, it is necessary to use a special nozzle on the drill with a smooth head. We do this in order not to bite into the surface and grinds only with the smooth end of the nozzle. Having prepared the work surface, we apply a mixture of epoxy and fiberglass to problematic areas. We produce epoxy degassing by heating. This procedure allows air to be expelled from the structural holes, but if overheating happens, the epoxy will begin to boil, which will lead to the formation of bubbles within the epoxy itself. It is important to comply with the strict framework of these technological processes. During the inspection, some cracks were also found on the wingtips. We logically decided to repeat all of the same repair procedures with them. When the epoxy has hardened, we then proceed to the next step of painting. We remove the doors and mask the plane, leaving access open to only the areas for painting. Since removing the wing is not possible, we have creatively maximized and prioritized our hangar space for painting. The temperature setting are strictly observed, the possibility of dust and grease is minimized, and the light spectrum of illumination is selected in such a way as to ensure maximum comfort for work, and most importantly, eliminating color distortion and misperception of the painting surface. Before painting, all original stickers of the wing are removed, after which copies are made from high-quality materials that are film-resistant to aggressive environments. PPG aviation paint is used for painting. It has superior features of wear resistance, elasticity and lightness. It was also necessary to perform color matching since the plane is not completely painted. Upon completion of painting the aircraft, we replaced the sealant at the root of the wing, performed an inspection of the engine compartment, replaced the bolts holding the engine cowling, and started polishing the aircraft. Door openings, headlights and place of contact between cowline and the fuselage are covered with armor foil. At the same time, the front fairing of the landing gear was repaired and reinforced, which had been badly damaged during long-term operation. The final stage of working with the aircraft was interior detailing and application of the Russian Federation flags. You can see more details about how we perform aircraft cabin detailing in a corresponding video on our channel. We hope that you appreciate the results of our hard work and approach to business. Thank you for your interest.